Hey friends, today I'll show you how to transfer files between your computer and phone using a USB cable. Here I have a USB cable and I'm connecting my phone to it, using this cable specifically. The connection is happening, and on my computer, if I go to this PC, now it should. You need to allow the USB connection first. I need to reconnect the cable since it slipped out. There. Alright. My phone is now connected, I'm opening it. Here we need to add permission. So we click on File Transfer. Perfect. There. Now we click on Get Started here. There. Next we go to the computer and access our phone. Here's our storage. From here we can easily transfer files to the PC or from the PC to the phone. This was Weiler with you. Goodbye everyone.